Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel BBTechHub. In this video, I will describe about how to find the total number of networks per class because out of these 5 classes, only ABC 3 classes are used for networking. And in these classes, there several networks are there. So first of all, we will calculate how many networks are present per class. After that, we will calculate in every network how many host addresses are present. Okay, everyone. So now see, IPv4 is having 4.3 billion IP in the world, among which we are using only 3 classes A, B, C for networking. Now our first task is to find under this class A, how many networks are possible. Under class B also the same thing, and under class C also we'll find how many networks are there. Once this task is over, we will find under every network how many host addresses are available. Is it clear? After that, we will have a very clear picture in the world how many networks per class are available, and after that, in per class, in per network, how many host addresses are available. So see, when we are going to find the number of networks, we have to follow the thing. For class A, total number of networks is 2 to the power number of network bits. So you see in class A, network bit is of 8. So 2 to the power 8. But 1 bit is reserved by IANA. So minus 1. That means 2 to the power 7. 2 to the power 7 means total 128. Means 0 to 127. So you see in class A, total network is 128 from 0 to 127. But the valid networks are 126. That is 1 to 126. So where is the 0 network and where is the 127 network? This 0 network is reserved for default routing. In the CCNA, you will learn it. And this 127 network is reserved for loopback address. Once I will go for the TCP/IP property settings, at that moment I will tell what is loopback address and what is the use of this loopback address. Okay. Now if I go for the class B, total number network is nothing but 2 to the power number of network bits. So you people know the network bit is 16 in class B. But again, IANA has reserved 2 bits in class B. So that means 2 to the power 16 minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 14 means 2 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 7 means 128 into 128. So 16,384 networks are available in the world from class B. Clear? Now come to the class C. Now total number of networks same, 2 to the power number of network bits minus 3 because in class C IANA has reserved 3 bits. So in class C, the network bit is 24. So 24 minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power 21 means 2 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 7 means 128, 128, 128. So total these many networks are available in class C. Is it clear, everyone? So that means in the world, we can see in the class A, total 120 networks are possible. In class B, 16,384 networks are possible. And in class C, this is the network is possible, 2097152. Now it's okay. We have came to know in the class A how many network, in B how many network, in C how many network. But right now we will find host per network per class. Am I clear, everyone? Because we are dealing with the host addresses. We are assigning host addresses to the devices. So under a single network, there are multiple host addresses. So right now we are going to calculate in per network how many host addresses are available. If you go for the class A, the total number of host bits we have to find 2 to the power number of host bits. So you know very well in the class B, 3 octet is reserved for host. So 3 octet means 24 bits. So 2 to the power 24 means these many host addresses are available in every class. Is it clear? In every network. Now the question is that this is the total address, and I told you one network is just same as one bread. And we do not like to have the two pieces of bread, the first piece and last piece. So if we want to calculate the valid host, then you have to subtract 2. This 2 is nothing but NID plus PID. So if we subtract 2, then we are getting 16777,214 valid host addresses are possible in every network of class A. Same way you come to class B. In the class B, the formula is 2 to the power number of host bit. In the class B, 16 bits are reserved for host. So 2 to the power 16 is 2 to the power 16 is 65,536. This total host address. If we want to go for the valid, then you have to minus 65,536. 2 you have to minus, and you will get these are the valid host addresses are possible from each network of class P. Now you come to class C. In the class C, 2 to the power 8 bit is reserved for host. So now 2 to the power 8 is 256. If I want to go for the valid, then of course I have to minus NID and BID. So 254. So you see over here very clearly, if we want to configure a large network, then we are going to use the class A IP. If we want to configure a medium range network, then we will go for class B. And if we want to configure a small size of network, then we will use class C. Because in class C, every network we get 254 valid hosts. In case of class B, in every network we can get 65,534 valid hosts. And in case of class A, you see how many valid hosts are possible per network. So I think everyone, you understood this calculation. And of course, I will suggest you take a pen and paper and you do the same calculation. I'm 100% sure your all doubts will be clear. If also you are having any further doubt, you put in the comment. I'm there to support you. So, okay, thank you.